Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin from the Vanderkinverse, back again with the Lenovo Flex 5G. We're going to talk about three things. I got a 3-session episode coming: fast, easy, secure. Today we're going to talk about fast. Okay, so the Lenovo Flex 5G, hopefully you guys can see it right here. Let's try and turn up the brightness a little bit. There we go. So I'm out here at a park. It's beautiful. Fast. So there's two things that make the Flex 5G fast. One thing is the processor. So it's got the Qualcomm 8CX processor in this thing, which is amazing. It's working great. I've been using it quite a bit. And also the second thing about it is it has always on LTE internet. So just run a little speed test here. It's also got 5G or LTE. The park I'm in here currently in North Carolina, Raleigh area, has only LTE, but if we were in a place that had 5G, you know, these speeds would be 10 or 100 times faster than this. But I'm getting 4 megabyte per second connection. Fast out here. It's always on. It's so fantastic just to be wherever I want to go, whether it's at home, at a coffee shop, here in the park. I can be working with my fast Lenovo Flex 5G. Alright, so what could be easier? Here I am connected right out here behind the Shake Shack, getting ready to go get some lunch. Got my Flex 5G. Easy, number one, always connected, don't have to worry about finding a Wi-Fi. And a battery life that's 24 plus hours long. So let's say you work 10 hours a day, you're still going to get more than 2 days of battery life out of this Lenovo Flex 5G. Amazing. Let's log in. Talk about what else is easy on this. No fan, so it's always quiet, always on, and you don't have to worry about a fan getting in your way. Alright, so first of all, I'm here in Cary, North Carolina, in front of my favorite restaurant in Rigo's. Love it, but I'm telling you about the security built into the Lenovo Flex 5G. Two areas I want to cover. First of all, number one, security Wi-Fi. Are you really sure when you're traveling, when you're out and about, you've got a secure Wi-Fi? When you're in the airport, you're in a hotel, you're at a coffee shop, you look at the 10 different Wi-Fis that show up, it says free airport Wi-Fi. Are you sure that's the right one, or are you letting your data go to an insecure server? Hotels, coffee shops, wherever you are, on the train, whatever, are you sure? Well, if you've got an LTE or a 5G connected PC, you know you're secure because you're on your own connection. So number one, security, that's it. Number two, security, built-in access to the PC. It's easy. I've got a pin set up on this thing, I've got a fingerprint reader set up on this thing, and I've got Windows Hello because this thing has an infrared camera built into it. And I'm storing all my data through Office 365, which just comes with a free 1-year trial in the cloud. So data's not even on here, and you can't even get in unless you're using my super secure face, finger, or pin. So that's it. That's the end of my 3 sessions. Fast, easy, secure. Thank you everybody for joining. Give me a chance to get out here and explore a little bit. Always connected though, always with my Flex 5G. Thanks everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.